Hello to all the beautiful people, hope you are doing good. Today in this tutorial we are going to learn the double crochet stitch, one of the most beautiful and the simplest stitch. To make the double crochet stitch, first we have to make a slip knot. To make the slip knot, wrap around your finger, wrap the yarn around your finger twice this way, and then slip your hook into the first loop, grab your second loop this way and pull the tails to tighten it, and here you go with your slip knot. Then we have to make the chains. To make the chains, yarn over, pull through the loop on your hook, yarn over, pull through the loop on your hook, yarn over, pull through the loop on your hook. Like this, you can make chains as many as you want. For me, I'll make 10 chains. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we have to do one double crochet into the third chain from the hook. So here's our first chain, here's our first chain, here's our second chain, and here is the third chain. We have to make one double crochet into this third chain from the hook. To make the double crochet stitch, yarn over, slip your hook into the third chain, yarn over again, pull through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over again, go through first 2 loops, first loop and the second loop. Now you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, go through the remaining last 2 loops, and here is our first double crochet stitch. Now we will be doing a double crochet stitch into our next stitch. To make DC into the double crochet into the next stitch, it's just the same way. Yarn over, okay, yarn over, slip your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over again, go through first 2 loops, yarn over, go through the remaining 2 loops, yarn over. Now we are going to do a DC stitch into our next stitch. Here, yarn over, slip your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, go through first 2 loops, yarn over, go through the remaining last 2 loops. So like this you have to keep on doing till the last chain. Yarn over, slip a hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, go through the first 2 stitch, yarn over, go through the second 2 stitch, yarn over, slip your hook into the next stitch or next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, go through the first 2 loops, yarn over, go through the second 2 loops. Keep on doing a double crochet stitch into every stitch till the end of your row. Into every stitch till the end of your row. So now we are going to the row 2 to make the row 2. And remember, the pattern that I am going to show you for this row 2 is the repetition pattern for every row. Okay, you just have to repeat the same pattern to make every row. To make the next row, make chain 2, turn your work, yarn over, skip this first stitch. Okay, this is our first stitch. Skip this stitch, the very first stitch. We are not going to work any stitches in here. We are going to skip the very first stitch. Into the next or the second stitch, do a double crochet stitch. To make the double crochet stitch, yarn over, slip your hook into the second stitch, okay, this way, so that your hook goes under both the loops of your stitch, okay, and then grab your yarn. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, go through first 2 loops, yarn over, go through second 2 loops. Do the same thing into every stitch now. Work a double crochet stitch into every stitch. I'm going to do 1 double crochet stitch into the second chain. Remember, we have skipped 2 chains in our first row, chain 1 and chain 2. Into the second chain, I am going to make 1 double crochet stitch. Now it's just a repetition of row 2. So in the next row we are going to make chain 2, turn your work. Remember, this is chain 1 and chain 2. We are going to skip this stitch also, and we are going to work a double crochet stitch into the next stitch. Okay, so first turn your work, chain, these are the chains, this is our first stitch, this is our next stitch. We are going to work a double crochet stitch into the second stitch. Be careful that your hook goes under the two loops of your stitch, both the loops of your stitch, and work a double crochet, and work double crochet stitch into every stitch. And don't forget to do a double crochet stitch every time into the second chain. Okay, you remember that we always do chain 2 in the starting of our row. So in the next row we have to make a double crochet stitch into the second chain from into the second chain that we did in the beginning of the previous row. So here is our chain 1 and chain 2. So into this chain 2 I am going to make a double crochet stitch. Okay. Now again chain 2. In this chain 2 that I am going to do in the beginning of our new row, so I did this chain 2, right? Now I am going to turn my work and I am going to do a double crochet stitch into each and every stitch till the end. Going to skip this very first stitch and into the second stitch do one double crochet, into the next one double crochet, into the next one double crochet. Keep on doing till the end of your row. You can make any number of chains. Initially we made 10 chains, but according to your project, as your project suggests, you can make as many number of chains as you want. Just follow this pattern that I am showing you, and here's my next stitch. And I'm going to do my next double crochet stitch into the second chain. This way. So this is one side, this is one side. You can choose your side, whichever you like, because both the stitches look a bit different but both are equally beautiful. So this is how we make our double crochet. This is also one of the most easiest and the simplest stitch. So let me show you again. Each row is just a repetition of row 2, and the row 2 pattern or the repetition pattern is like 2 chains. Turn your work, yarn over, skip the first stitch into the next stitch, make a double crochet stitch, and keep on doing the double crochet stitch into each and every stitch till the end of our row. keep on doing it till you reach the very end stitch. Here is my last stitch. As you can see, here's my last stitch, and this is the chain 2, and this is the last stitch. I'm going to do my double crochet into this last stitch, and I'm going to do my last double crochet into the second chain, into the chain 2. And here you go. Isn't it beautiful? If you like it, then you can try for yourself. This is one of the basic stitch, and using these stitches only we are going to make real big and huge projects. So if you like, make it, show me. I'll be really happy to see your works. Till then, goodbye.